Welcome back, everyone. In this one, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up users and assign them licenses on your Office 365 account. If you haven't seen my previous video, I show you guys how you can set up a free trial for Microsoft Office 365 so you can follow along for the various SharePoint Fundamentals videos. So once you have your account set up and you come over to your 365 Admin Center, which is at admin.cloud.microsoft, it'll bring you to this page. And if we want to go ahead and set up users, we can either do it at the bottom here where it says your organization, or you can come off to the left and collapse down the users section and click on active users. And it'll give us the option that where we can set up multiple users at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'll just use some actor names as placeholders. So we have Brad Pitt and George Clooney. Probably spelling his name wrong. Clooney. Okay, you can add in more if you need to, but we'll just stick with those two. And then next, we can go in and assign them licenses. So you can either assign them no license, where they won't be able to have access to really anything, or you can assign them a 365 license. So you see with the trial, you get up to 25 licenses. So I'm going to go ahead and use 2 right now on these 2 users. And you can also specify which apps you want them to have access to as well. So we're good with them having access to everything. And then we can go ahead and add users. Okay, now we have these 2 users, bpit at cybermike.onmicrosoft.com. That'll be the domain that they log in with. And then there is a I will have to reset the passwords because it auto-generated the passwords. But then once I would give my friends or my coworkers the login, then they can actually log it into my environment so that they can start testing or playing around, whatever you want them to do within your SharePoint environment or one of the other applications that you have with your 365 account.